Measurements without units are nothing. They are just abstract numbers. We want to show that those are measurements. So we do need to use units. And in science is always metric system being used. So you are used to use US customary system, and all these units are familiar to you. But in science, almost in every country, uh, or almost in every country, they use metric system. So to be familiar with metric system, we can read these units. So it's centimeter, kilometer, meter, millimeter, gram, kilogram, mass, weight, liter, milliliter, and you can see here that there is something that similar to every unit in a metric system. So in my opinion, a metric system is more logical, but it's my opinion, and I really would love you to share this opinion after you spend some time for be familiar with the system too. So let's say the base unit for mass is gram. The base unit for length is meter. This is its abbreviation. So M for meter, G for gram. Base unit for volume is liter. Abbreviation is L, the small one. Uh, Base unit for time is second. Abbreviation is S. So I mentioned this term base unit. What does mean base unit? Base unit is like a 0 point, and from this 0 point, let's say this is like oh, I'm sorry, I need to go back. Here. Let's say this is a 0 point, right? Um, and for mass is gram, so gram for mass. I can go up or I can go here down. And if I go up to show that my units become greater, I will need to use special prefixes. And to go here, this direction, I will need to show that my units gram become smaller and smaller and smaller. That's why I will use another prefixes. So let's say basic unit for mass. We already agreed that this is gram. Gram. To make it greater, 10 times greater, you need to use this prefix decagram. So it will be decagram. So 1 decagram equals to 10 grams because it's 10 times greater than gram. And you always compare your unit with the base unit. That's why you understand how greater or how smaller it is. So hectare is a 10 times greater than basic unit. Kilo is actually 1,000 times greater than basic unit. So 1 kilogram, it's abbreviation kilogram. It's very common in countries which use metric system. So 1 kilogram will be equal 1,000 grams. Another groups of prefixes which shows us that unit becomes smaller than the basic one. So deci is 10 times smaller than basic unit. Centi, 100 times smaller than basic unit, and milli 1,000 times smaller than basic unit. So 1 milligram is 0.001 grams. So it's 1 divided by 1,000 gram, one part out of 1,000. So to convert your basic unit to a larger unit, you need to move decimal point to the left or divide. Let's say we have 10 grams and we need to convert these 10 grams to kilograms. So I need to calculate how many kilograms it will be. So 10 grams, or yeah, 10 grams, okay. We need to divide. We need to divide by 1,000 because 1 kilograms 1,000 times greater than 1 grams. That's why to convert grams to kilograms, we need to divide 10 grams by 1,000, and it is kilograms right now. So it will be, it cancelled, so 1/100th of kilogram. And another example, to convert to a smaller unit, you need to move decimal point to the right or multiply. So you have grams, 1 gram, let's say, or let's do the same, 10 grams, and you need to convert them to, let's say, milligrams. So you need to understand that milligrams are 1,000 times smaller. That's why you need to divide 10 grams, divide by this. Or you need to multiply 10 by 1,000. 10 multiplied by 1,000 gram. That is your answer in grams, in milligrams. So it will be 10,000 milligrams.